Hello dear friends, thank you for joining me. Greetings from Holland. I hope you are enjoying this series and that the practical points I'm sharing with you will really help you to stay positive in negative world that we live in, or at least that seems to be negative. I don't want to talk negative, obviously. I believe a lot of good things are happening in this world, but I'm also seeing that the devil is turning up the volume in driving everybody crazy. So we have to counterattack, and I'm giving you nuggets on how to do that. We need God, you need to read your Bible, we need to pray, we need to manage our thoughts, we need to help each other, and we need to be generous givers and sing and listen to music as often as we can. Today I will share a personal favorite with you, and that is turn off your TV. Or, we haven't had a TV in our house for, 30 years, I guess. But turn off your TV. And if that's hard for you, if you don't know how to do that, just start with one evening a week. Say, hey, we'll do a screen-free night or screen-free day. Turn off telephone, turn off television, turn off the computer, and do different things. Play a game, talk, go for a walk, whatever you do, but turn off the TV and stop the flow of words that is constantly being spread throughout the world at a rate that is scary. And we haven't had a television in our home for many, many years, and I don't even miss it. If I want to watch a movie, I can find one or take a DVD. I want music or news. I'm not reading any secular news for many years anymore. And it really helps. It brings peace to your life, brings peace to your thinking. It stops the negative flow. And, let's read what the Bible says about it. Not about TV, but about what our eyes are watching. Matthew 6, Jesus is speaking there. And let's go to verse 22 and 23. Jesus says, your eye is like a lamp that provides light for your body. When your eye is healthy, your whole body is filled with light. But when your eye is unhealthy, your whole body is filled with darkness. And if the light you think you have is actually darkness, how deep that darkness is. Listen, people, our eyes are in reality the gateway for anything that comes into our heart. And if our eyes are not clean, whatever you're watching can be the news, it can be pornography, it can be violence. It will come inside of you and it will pollute you. And that's not how it should be. So Jesus is saying, hey, basically he says, watch what you're watching. And that's what I want to leave you with today. Watch what you're watching. Turn it off. And start with a day or an evening a week. And you will notice that it will bring a lot of peace in your thinking, in your heart, but also in your house. So I love to hear from you if it works for you. See you tomorrow. Bye.